So if you want to know how to turn this one into a window frame, just stick around. I will show you how. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a window frame look alike, or I don't know how you want to call it. So first off, just draw your shapes. I'm using this rectangular right here. You can select the rectangular frame tool I'm using. So you have the X inside. Once you're done, just go to the selection tool right here or click on V. Select all squares, rectangle, or any shapes you want, like this. Once you see the bullet each corner, you know it selected all the shapes. Then go to object, go to path, and make compound path or Control 8 on your keyboard. Once you click on it, you're gonna see the X. It's a big X all joined together, all the shapes joined together. Go to File and place or Control D. Select your image. I'm gonna use this image right here, and make sure that the replace selected item has a tick in the box, right? So just make sure it's a tick right there. Click on open. Once it's open, you're gonna see the picture gonna look like this. Small picture. Don't worry about it, don't resize it right now. Just go to object, go to fitting, and choose this one, fill frame proportionally, or you can use the shortcut Control Alt Shift C. When you click on it, you see your image is gonna become bigger and in every square. When you just open InDesign, you're gonna see the image gonna look blurry. How to change it? Go to view, go to display performance, and click on high quality display. Don't make it typical. Why it's typical? Because it will work faster when the image is not high quality, especially for low-end PC. So just click on high quality display, that your image is gonna become HD. As you can see, the image has no borders, so you can go to properties. Just make sure you select the whole thing first. Then you have stroke. Just put it black, any color you want. I'm gonna use black in this tutorial. And then this one, choose any point you want. So I'm gonna use 5 on this one, and that's it. We're gonna go print it out, gonna look like this one. So that's it for today's tutorial. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial about other products or anything you want. Just comment down below in the description, and I will try my best to make it happen. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.